This is Paul O'Keefe, The Life of the Anvil on Fightbook TV. Are you ready? Hey, what's going on out there?
What's up, TV land?
This is Paul the Anvil O'Keefe and
Donnie
Big
Mitchell.
D on Fightbook TV. It's going to be awesome. We're going to travel around. Just a lot of good stuff, so check us out. Watch out for the future episodes. Morning, Fightbook. You're watching a day in the life with the Anvil. Me and Donnie Mitchell are getting ready to go to my buddy Dave's house, get tatted up a little bit, tell some dumb stories. Donnie was nice enough to get himself breakfast this morning. Pretty nice, Donnie. Thank you for not getting me anything.
Okay.
Oh! Okay, see you in a little bit. Alright, we're heading to my buddy Dave's right now. I don't want you guys to be scared out there in Fightbook land, but my buddy Dave's house is not in the best of areas. We're going to be going into Meth Central in Arizona. So if there's any gunplay or bullets flying around, don't worry. If the camera drops, we're just going to head for the hills. We're at Dave's, getting ready to go get some work done. How you doing?
Pretty good, man.
Fightbook TV, this is Dave. He's gonna hook me up today. It's actually his day off. Sit here like a man, Donnie like a man, which is what you need to be. You need to man up, you need to dump the chick that's holding you back, you need to roll with the big dogs. That's all I'm saying. Fightbook TV. We just wrapped up the first session. See how it heals. Get back in there in a couple weeks or a week or so and maybe fill whatever needs to be touched up, but came out sick. Dave, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
No problem, man.
He always treats me and my friends and family real well, so make sure you hit up One Shot Athletics. Look on the Badass Links section. Dave's stuff's going to be on there real soon. Going to invite him to Fightbook, and thanks a lot. You've been watching Paul the Anvil O'Keefe and a day in the life. Thanks.
And O'Keefe working those big right hands to the body.